Hi guys, in continuation to my last video where we looked at consideration, today let's look at whether part payment of a debt will amount to consideration towards the formation of a contract. So for instance, if I owe you £50 and you accept £25 from me, saying that by paying you £25 you release me from payment of the rest of the money, is that consideration on my part, and does that amount to formation of an enforceable contract? So this was decided back in a very old English case which was decided in 1602, so old. And in that it was said that no, part payment of a debt is not valid consideration on one's part. And the reason given was that you have not done anything, or I have not done anything over and above what I was already supposed to do for me to have actually formed some kind of consideration or a mutual exchange in that regard. I had to pay you the £25, that's what I was obligated to do anyways. So therefore, part payment of a debt is not valid consideration. However, having said that, there is an exception to this rule as well. So if you had placed certain conditions upon me that come and pay £25 to me at a different place, at a different time, or in exchange for the £25 you asked me to form or pay a different kind of chattel, so let's say Egyptian linen or something else in that regard. So because now the nature of the transaction has actually changed, so if I were to do any of these three things, then part payment of a debt will amount to a valid consideration. Hope that is understood. Thank you.